Ako si Victoria de Monteverde o Palayaw na Vicky. Ay isa po ka-farmer leader from Pula, Canlaon City, Negros Oriental. As a farmer, at saka yung part din po ako ng group ng Pula Potatoes and Vegetable Farmers Association. Parang ano lang namin yung potato, but actually we are doing other crops such as vegetable and rice and also corn. So naka-avail po kami ng RC program at na malaking tulong sa association dahil binigyan po kami ng mga seeds. Ilang mga seeds. Ang ginawa po namin, ginawa namin income generating. So we loan it to our farmer members, payable at harvest. At saka nung naipon na namin yung after harvest, very consistent naman pong mga members, nagbayad po at naka-reach po kami ng more than 100,000. Yun po ay ginawa po namin as capital para sa loan program. So ngayon, ang association nagkaroon na ng loans, at least 2,000 per person, and it's going well. Very happy ang mga member dahil usually it is being used as payment for labor in their farming practices. Aming association, naka-avail din po ng mga machineries like floating tiller, ng tractor at saka ng rice harvester. In some ways, nakakatulong din, reduce the labor cost. Pero siguro in the future, mas maganda yung angkop ang mga technology like ang machinery na maibigay dahil ang iba po yung sabi ng ibang farmer, maganda po yung ibang klase sanang floating tiller, which is really good for upland rice farming. Then we were able also to avail of technical support on how to grow better rice, at saka hindi lang rice, kundi sa ibang crops pa po. So we are very thankful for that. And isa pa po na ginagawa ng city in coordination with Philippine Crop Insurance, sila po nagfa-facilitate ng crop insurance sa mga farmers at also livestock. Yun po ay napakalaking tulong sa aming mga farmers. And they were very happy, especially po ng nagka-typhoon at iba pang calamity o pest sa ilang crop. Yung sabi nila dati, kung pag nagkaroon ng damage, wala na. Pero at least kahit ngayon, may makukuha pa sila to start anew sa pag-produce naman ng other crops. So that is very helpful po para sa aming farmers.